Welcome friends. Welcome all dear SSC friends in the bridge course day 7. Do you remember what did we learn yesterday? Yes, we learned to express our opinions on what? Profiles. Yes, correct. Profiles. We saw profiles of few friends and then we tried to express with the help of 3 phrases on the debates. Same what we did day before yesterday, we expressed our opinions on the transcripts. Yesterday we learned to express our opinions on profiles, and today we are going to express our opinions on debates. What do you mean by debate? Yes, वादविवाद. एखाद्या विषय दिलेला असतो, स्पर्धा असते, एक डिबेटिंग कॉम्पिटिशन, त्याच्यात एक विषय दिलेला असतो, परीक्षा असाव्यात, एक जण बोलतो परीक्षा असाव्यात, एक जण बोलतो परीक्षा नसाव्यात. अशा रीतीने विषयाच्या बाजूने बोलतो एक जण आणि विषयाच्या विरुद्ध बोलतो एक जण. त्याला म्हणतात डिबेट कॉम्पिटिशन. ह्या डिबेट कॉम्पिटिशन मध्ये आपले काही मित्र सहभागी होत आहेत आणि ते कोणत्या विषयावरती डिबेट करतायत, ते विषयाच्या बाजूने काय बोलतायत, विषयाच्या विरुद्ध काय बोलतायत, हे आपल्याला आज अभ्यासायचं आहे. आणि मग त्या डिबेटवरती आपण त्या सेम फ्रेजेस घेऊन कसं व्यक्त होणार, कसं मत व्यक्त करणार, हे आपण आज शिकणार आहोत. वी आर युजिंग 3 फ्रेजेस. इन माय ओपिनियन, एक तर ह्याची मदत घेणार, एक तर आय ॲग्री किंवा आय थिंक. ओके, अशा रीतीने. सो टुडे these are the instructions for you students. Listen the instructions of teacher and act accordingly. मी वाचणार आहे डिबेटचे पॉइंट्स, विषय कोणता आहे, त्या विषयाच्या बाजूचे आणि विरुद्ध. एक तुम्हाला डेमो देते, त्याचा विषय कोणता आहे आणि तो डेमो आपल्याला इट इज सपोज टू बी कंडक्टेड इन टू द क्लासरूम विथ द हेल्प ऑफ स्टुडंट्स. विथ द हेल्प ऑफ 2 स्टुडंट्स. 2 विद्यार्थ्यांना बोलवून तो डिबेट वर्गात घेणं असं अपेक्षित आहे. But because of lockdown, you are at your homes and I am at my home. So it is not possible. So let's see how effectively we can conduct that debate here. Read the given instruction very carefully. Give your opinion about debate competition. त्याच 3 फ्रेजेसच्या मदतीने आपण कसं काय बरं व्यक्त करू शकतो मत आपली, हे आपण बघूयात. Now here is our one friend Pratiksha, and she has taken part into this debate competition. Let's see what is her topic. Hello friends, I am Pratiksha from Akod. Friends, I am given the topic, should we use social media or not? सोशल मीडिया म्हणजे आपण ही समाज माध्यम जी वापरतो आहोत, विच आर हॅव्हिंग ग्रेट इम्पॉर्टन्स इन दिस लॉकडाऊन COVID-19 सिच्युएशन, इन दिस पॅन्डेमिक period. So is it good to use social media or is it bad to use social media? This is the topic of their debate. Here I am telling you the benefits of social media. Benefits of social media. It has been one of the fundamental needs of all. आज खूप गरज झाली आहे सोशल मीडिया वापरणं, बिकॉज वर्क फ्रॉम होम and study from home, teach from home, then shopping from home, everything is going on from home. सगळं काही घरी बसून चाललेलं आहे, because we are completely isolated and that's good for our health. काही दिवसांसाठी it is an excellent platform to make relations, friendship, etc. We can get required educational information from it. Different kinds of search engines are there and we search information on these engines. So we widen our limits our capabilities, and we get abundant knowledge from these Google engines. We can connect with friends, different groups with same interests. It helps to complete our study. This is very useful platform to publish our books, channels, etc. See, I am teaching and you are watching my lessons on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. So this is one of the parts of social media. Friends, above points are enough to tell you the benefits of social media. Now our second friend, Siddhant, he is expressing his opposite opinions about social media. Means he is against using social media. Friends, as my friend Pratiksha told us many essential points about social media. I am Siddhant from Vijapur, and I am here to tell you the disadvantage of social media. These are the points Siddhant has expressed. Social media reduces face-to-face communication. There is possibility of emotional depression when it is used excessively. जेवणात अति मीठ झालं तर काय होतं? In the same way, कोणती गोष्ट अति झाली की काय होतं? So excessive use of social media is going to do something loss for you. Possibility of negative thoughts of worse messages. Good messages are there, worse messages are there, good things are there, bad things are there. So everything we find on social media. So we have to decide what message should we read and what not. What should we watch, what should we not. In this way, we have to do the classification between good and bad. There is great possibility of social isolation. Those who are mobile addicted, social media addicted, they are very much away from all kinds of people, relations, family, friends and everything. For the 24 hours, they are only with their mobile phones or different kinds of electronic gadgets. So they get isolated. एकाकी पडतात ते. Affects social and emotional feelings. आपण सोशल केव्हा बनतो, केव्हा राहतो? वी आर सोशल बाय नेचर. ॲनिमल इज अ सोशल ॲनिमल. मॅन इज अ सोशल ॲनिमल. माणूस हा खूप सामाजिक प्राणी आहे. त्याला समाजाशिवाय तो राहूच शकत नाही. त्याच्या सगळ्या गरजा समाजात पूर्ण होतात. भावना आपण व्यक्त करतो, भावनांचा निचरा होतो. त्याच्यासाठी आपल्याला कोणीतरी पाहिजे असतं असं भोवताली. फ्रेंड्स म्हणा, ब्रदर्स, सिस्टर्स, पेरेंट्स म्हणा, अशा रीतीने आपण त्यांच्याशी व्यक्त होतो. तेवढं आपलं मन फ्रेश राहतं, आपण हेल्दी राहतो आणि आपलं इंटरॅक्शन पण हेल्दी राहतं. बट इफ यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू कम्युनिकेट विथ एनीबडी फिजिकली, सो इट अफेक्ट्स टू युअर फिलिंग्स अँड दॅट पर्सन गोज इन टू द डिप्रेशन. मग डिप्रेशन खूप लवकर येतं. डिप्रेशन मीन्स फ्रस्ट्रेशन, नैराश्याने घेरले जातात असे मुलं, असे लोक, आणि मग ते आत्महत्येकडे वळतात. सो कोणतीही गोष्ट ही प्रमाणातच वापरली पाहिजे. जसं अ पिंच ऑफ सॉल्ट, एक चिमूटभर मीठ आपल्या जेवणाची चव वाढवतं, तसा चिमूटभर यूज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया नक्कीच आपल्या जीवनामध्ये आनंद निर्माण करेल. यूज ऑफ सोशल मीडिया रिड्युसेस युअर family quality time. This is very important. We have to be very much attached with our family. So if you are spending your time, maximum time in isolation, then it is not possible. If you are not going to devote your time and devote your duties regarding family, it will be very responsible reason for spoiling the familiar relations. So it is very important to keep healthy from family bondage or family relations, and this will go on if you will adopt all these kinds of and you will be aware of all these bad effects of social media. So let's see in the next slide. There is a debate on watching cartoon serials. Here are two friends, Pratima and Praniti. And Pratima is very much fond of watching cartoon serials, and Praniti doesn't like watching cartoon serials. She thinks watching cartoon serials is just a wasting of time. So friends, it was expected that the two students will play the role of Pratima and Praniti, but it is not possible. So I am going to play the role of Pratima. Hello friends, I am Pratima. I am very much fond of watching cartoon channels because I like animals, I like birds very much, and I like watching cartoon serials because there are very interesting stories. These stories trigger my imagination. I can write stories of my own. These stories watching these cartoons serials watching in English language improve my English communication skills, improve my vocabulary. And some cartoons have very funny stories, so it promotes laughter too, and it reduces my stress. I gets very fresh, I become very fresh. So for 24 hours I go on watching cartoon serials on television. So these points are of Pratima, okay, from the topic, and see against the topic what Praniti is saying. Hello friends, I am Praniti. I don't like watching cartoon serials because watching cartoon serials is just wasting our valuable time. We get lost in watching cartoons, and we don't realize how much time we have spent in watching cartoons. So our valuable time, our quality time which we should spend with our family, and which is expected to spend in our studies, is completely wasted, and it creates stress. If for a long time we are watching cartoons, it creates stress, and we can get emotionally distracted from these stories, or from these continuous watching. By sitting, health problems are created due to this, because physical activities get limited scope. Here we are stuck to the same place for a long time, so we can be very fat, and uh, we can be weak in academic performance in the school and colleges, and sometimes it creates depression because of the continuous use of electronic device. So I think watching cartoon channels or cartoon serials is wasting our time, according to me. So this is all about Pratima's points uh, uh, from point of view of Pratima. She is expressing that social media, sorry, watching cartoons are good, and Praniti says watching cartoon serials is not at all good. So friends, see the next slides. Two debates you have seen here. On these two debates, you are going to solve this homework. So on both the debates, means debate on सोशल मीडियाच्या बाजूने मते आणि विरुद्ध मते, आणि कार्टून बघण्याच्या बाजूने मत आणि विरुद्ध मत, दोन मित्रांचं आपण इथे पाहिलेलं आहे. दोन्ही वादविवादांवरती तुम्ही तुमचं मत इंग्लिशमधून व्यक्त करणार आहात, लिहिणार आहात. आय ॲग्री, इन माय ओपिनियन ही फ्रेज घेऊन लिहा किंवा आय ॲग्री घेऊन लिहा किंवा आय थिंक हे घेऊन लिहा की तुम्हाला कोणाची मतं आवडली आहेत, कोणाची मते नाही आवडलेली आहेत. त्याच्या बाबतीत तुम्ही छोटी छोटी वाक्य करा. Students, listen all the points carefully and try to give your opinions on social media also and watching cartoon serials also. This is also homework for you. The next homework, हे सुद्धा वहीत लिहून काढा ह्यांची उत्तरं आपण इंग्लिशमध्ये. The first question is, what do you think about giving too much time to playing video games? तुम्हाला काय वाटतं की व्हिडिओ गेम्स एखादा खूप वेळ घालवून खेळत बसत असेल तर त्या बाबतीत तुमचं स्वतःचं काय मत आहे, गुड की बॅड, ते तुम्ही उत्तरात लिहा. राईट युअर ओपिनियन अबाउट व्हाय शुड वी यूज सोशल मीडिया प्लॅटफॉर्म. आणि तुमचं मत लिहायचं आहे की आपण सोशल मीडिया प्लॅटफॉर्म का वापरला पाहिजे. अफवा पसरवण्यासाठी, रुमर्स, की आपल्या ज्ञानाची पातळी वाढवण्यासाठी, हे तुम्ही लिहून काढा छोट्या छोट्या वाक्यांमध्ये. ओके, सो सी यू अगेन इन द नेक्स्ट व्हिडिओ.